to one.
It is one person that is normal. Oh, please don't cough through another video. Excuse me. Yes, so one normal person and one person with mental health or addiction or whatever. And the normal person, what is normal? Like, what is normal? Normal. I suppose when I say normal, I don't mean normal, I mean a person without addiction or without mental health, because it's not to say, oh, please don't cough through another one. And on each other to alcoholics. But a lot of the time it is one person that is normal. Oh, please don't cough through another video. Excuse me. So one normal person and one person with mental health or addiction or whatever. And the normal person, what is normal? Like, what is normal? Normal. I suppose when I say normal, I don't mean normal, I mean a person without addiction or without mental health, because it's not to say just because we've got mental health issues we're not normal. Right. I've lost where I was going with this. Right, okay, yes, so you have the person without, the person with the issues, without issues and with issues. And the person without them will make it their life mission to save the person because they want to help them. They can often confuse pity and love. They'll feel sorry for this person. They'll think, I'm going to save them. I'm going to make them better. I'm going to help them. The person without, the normal person, often has really low self-esteem, so they're constantly looking outside themselves for things to make them happy. And that's where helping someone else comes in. What they can actually find out. I'm getting so annoyed, I just want to do a video. What they find they could end up doing actually is enabling the person, because the person without, just say they're with an addict, they might start lying to people to cover up for their behaviours. They might stop seeing their friends, and they basically do more than their fair share for the sick person. They'll bend over backwards for them. But what they can find then is if their actions are not noticed or appreciated, they can very soon start building resentment, getting really angry inside. But they also have a fear of being abandoned. They don't want this relationship to break up. So someone who's codependent might also be in an abusive relationship where someone belittles them, puts them down, maybe hits them or whatever, but they don't leave because they don't want to be on their own. Guys, I think I'm going to have to stop this video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this video because I'm just coughing the whole way through it. Let me come back to you. I'm going to try and do it again tomorrow. I've kind of explained what's going on, and I just keep coughing constantly, and I don't want to have to keep doing that down the camera. I will still post this just so you know what's going on, but yeah, let me come back with the codependency video tomorrow. Alright. Lots of love, guys. Bye. Hi guys, happy Friday. I'm really sorry I didn't get a video out Monday. I have been poorly this week, but I am back and I am continuing to discuss personality disorders with you. We are doing the cluster Bs. Last time we discussed antisocial personality disorder. Today we're going to discuss narcissistic personality disorder. Now, Today I'm filming on my sofa because my 2-year-old did this. Hi guys, today I'm filming on my sofa because my 2-year-old did this. Not happy mummy. Peeling my wallpaper off. Right, so I'm here today. It's actually quite comfy. I checked in with you last week and I told you how tired I am. And it all made sense the next day. My head was pounding and I got a cold. And I know it's just a cold, but it really did knock me. And I have been poorly for like days. Yesterday, I spent the whole day in bed because I was like, I wanted to do the housework. I had loads of things I needed to do. But had I done that, I'd be feeling worse today. So it was a bit of self-care, a bit of self-love, and I stayed in bed all day. Do I feel better today? Maybe slightly. Not great. It's now the cough. So I have been trying to do this video for the past hour, and because usually I do my video and I'll do it in one take, and it's quite easy enough to do, but not so good today. I keep having to stop the camera because I keep coughing. I had a nice morning though. I went and saw my old therapist. She worked with me when I was 18 and did anger management. She was the lady that taught me DBT. Her name is Yolanda, and she was amazing. She's the sort of person that it's not just a job to her. She really cared about people. And I haven't seen her in over 5 years, and it was amazing to see her today. And to be able to say, thank you, you basically helped save my life. And another lady, Jackie, was there, who I did the women's group again. I haven't seen her in years, and it was really nice. It was nice for me to be able to say, look, I'm all right. Hey now, because they really did see me at my worst. Right, I'm going to try and do this video on codependency. I've been asked to do this video. Codependency shows up a lot in families with addiction, families with mental health, dysfunctional families. Codependency is not healthy. You can get two addicts that are codependent on each other, two alcoholics. But a lot of the time it is one person that is normal. Oh, please don't cough through another video. Excuse me. Yeah, so one normal person and one person with mental health or addiction or whatever. And the normal person, what is normal? What is normal? But normal. I suppose when I say normal, I don't mean normal, I mean a person without addiction or without mental health. Because it's not to say just because we've got mental health issues we're not normal. Because we are. Right. I've lost where I was going with this. Right, okay, yes, so you have the person without, the person with the issues, without issues and with issues. And the person without them will make it their life mission to save the person because they want to help them. They can often confuse people in life. They'll feel sorry for this person. They'll think, I'm gonna make them better. I'm gonna help them. The person without, the normal person, often has really low self-esteem, so they're constantly looking outside themselves for things to make them happy. And that's where helping someone else comes in. What they can actually find out. I'm getting so annoyed, I just want to do a video. What they find they could end up doing actually is enabling the person, because the person without, just say they're with an addict, they might start lying to people to cover up for their behaviours. They might stop seeing their friends, And they basically do more than their fair share for the sick person. They'll bend over backwards for them. But what they can find then is if their actions are not noticed or appreciated, they can very soon start building resentment, getting really angry inside. But they also have a fear of being abandoned. They don't want this relationship to break up. So someone who's codependent might also be in an abusive relationship where someone belittles them, puts them down, maybe like hits them or whatever, but they don't leave because they don't want to be on their own. Guys, I think I'm going to have to stop this video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this video because I'm just coughing the whole way through it. Let me come back to you. I'm going to try and do it again tomorrow. I've kind of explained what's going on, and I just keep coughing constantly, and I don't want to have to keep doing that down the camera. I will still post this just so you know what's going on. But yeah, let me come back with the codependency video tomorrow. All right. Lots of love, guys. Bye. Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss relationships again, but I'm going to talk about how you can have a happy, healthy relationship whilst you have borderline personality disorder, because it is possible.
World is the new app that brings all the Toco.
Funny!
Wait, what's Draco screaming? Wake up! What is this? Wait, what? Oh no, they killed him! Draco's dead! Draco, why did you run into this saw?
Remember how we came into this hospital? And we came into it because it was an emergency, because I kept coughing and I couldn't sleep, so we went here. Funny!
Wait, what's Draco screaming? Wake up! What is this? Wait, what? Oh no, they killed him! Draco's dead! Draco, why did you run into this saw?
Remember how we came into this hospital? And we came into it because it was an emergency, because I kept coughing and I couldn't sleep, so we went here.
Okay.
That doctor, he's evil. He put that cheese pizza slicer over my head.
Well, maybe it's because you were coughing too much. Hey, why did you do that to Draco? Please lie down over there. Okay, no. Okay, we're leaving.
We gotta get out of here.
You are crazy, and we are out of here. Should we grab a wheelchair? Hey, Draco, sit on the wheelchair.
It's a... Funny!
Wait, what's Draco screaming? Wake up! What is this? Wait, what? Oh no, they killed him! Draco's dead! Draco, why did you run into this saw?
Remember how we came into this hospital? And we came into it because it was an emergency, because I kept coughing and I couldn't sleep, so we went here.
Okay.
That doctor, he's evil. He put that cheese pizza slicer over my head.
Well, maybe it's because you were coughing too much. Hey, why did you do that to Draco? Please lie down over there. Okay, no. Okay, we're leaving.
We gotta get out of here.
You are crazy, and we are out of here. Should we grab a wheelchair? Hey, Draco, sit on the wheelchair.
It's a fake. He's trolling us. This isn't a real hospital, is it?
Wait, is everyone evil? The doc has gone mad. Let me help you escape. Oh, we should have knew this hospital was crazy. That sign out there was like, come in for a free checkup. It was too suspicious to be true. Come on, guess. it slow. We're gonna jump over them. No!
Yes.
Buddy.
We're coming back, Draco. Calm down. We're gonna get out of this hospital, and we're gonna get you proper medicine, not a chainsaw
Yeah.
going through your back, crawling
It
over
wasn't
this
a
thing.
chainsaw, it was a pizza slicer.
Okay, whatever. Pizza slicer. What happened here? There's a vent here. Press C to crouch. Oh, what is this? I don't think we can go over this. But we must use C to crouch under the vent. Oh, this is cool.
Whoa.
Buddy, I'm stuck.
Come on, Draco. Come on, let's get out of
me
here.
out.
Get us.
Dude, come on, hurry up. Okay, let's see. He says this is the X-ray room. Watch out for those radiation beams. Oh, be careful, or else you'll get an X-ray. Like I said. Let's
Are
see.
these x-rays of your body?
Draco, I think it's an X-ray of you. Look, I think you ate something. It's taking a picture of your stomach.
No, that doesn't look right. I had a pizza this morning. There should be a pizza in that x-ray.
While you chew your food, unless you like swallow a pizza, that'd be pretty weird.
I guess.
Where is this? Okay, this is the other room, and there's some folders. Oh, it says Draco is sick. I'm
I
joking.
think this is pee.
Ew.
How do we jump? Wait, how do we jump there?
It's a fake folder. It's a fake folder.
We're going through the folders. Be careful. You don't want to step on any files and explode. What is over here? Let's go. This looks like there's some nuclear waste happening down here. Saws! The dog has really gone mad. Time your jumps carefully. Wow, this obby's actually tricky. Okay, we're gonna try this again. This time without time. Time your jumps. Oh wait, copy that dude. That dude's smart. Jump. Poops.
Oh, wait a minute. If you walk near the edge, you'll never get sliced because the chainsaws don't go that far.
Hey, that's smart.
Cheating. Cheating. Oh, you're right, Draco. Yeah, it's working. Wow. Well, that's how you pass that level. That's actually pretty smart. This door does not lead to any.
I made it.
Good job. Okay, over here. He says those scalpels are huge. Remember to crouch if needed. Oh, dude. Wait, that's
crouch
not.
under it.
No, it's not necessary.
Yeah.
Go. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Ninja styles. Go. This is actually pretty easy. Why is there giant scalpels here anyway? Is the surgeon planning to scalpel you?
He's planning to dissect us.
Wow, fail. Oh, this is a laser.
Epic is an award-winning digital library for kids 12 and under. Once on Epic, your child will unlock a world of reading, learning, and discovery, getting instant, unlimited access to more than 35,000 high-quality books, videos, and so much more. Kids on Epic get to explore their interests in a safe, kid-friendly environment with no ads or in-app purchases. Epic's vast library features thousands of books, read-to-me and audiobooks, and learning videos. From animals and DIY to award-winning literature, STEM, and everything in between. Epic is personalized for your child, so they get recommendations based on their interests and evolving reading level. Got a future artist at home? A Lego fanatic? Or maybe a science lover? Kids love to choose what they read and watch, and with our constantly growing library, the possibilities are endless. To reinforce their learning, kids can take fun quizzes to test their knowledge and earn badges and rewards, so parents can track their progress and kids can feel proud of how much they've learned. Kids can easily and safely access Epic anytime, anywhere, online or off. It's an entire digital library of knowledge and fun at their fingertips, and it's just one click away. Discover why millions of kids love reading on Epic. Start your free trial today.
Level secret agent styles. I didn't think we would be using. Wait,
Why are you crouching?
Draco, crouching is so unnecessary. Jump, crawl under, and jump. Nailed it. I didn't
And
even
jump.
get singed once. To the next room. Wait, why is there alarms going off? It's because we gotta escape. Who did this to the cafeteria? We got a
Pee
vending.
everywhere.
Wait, is it weird that this vending machine is smaller than this Coke can?
Yeah. Well, wait, how did Draco?
Wait, Poops, we went the wrong way. We went the wrong way. This way? Over here. We need to be... Oh. Okay,
Oh,
it
just
looks
go
like there
around.
is multiple ways to go here. Jump, and over here. What are you saying? Through this fire exit. All doors are locked tight. Draco, what are you doing? Why are you slamming it on your head?
I don't know.
What? Why is this hospital on fire, first of all? The doctor has gone mad. We must
He's
escape
gone
him.
bananas crazy.
His bananas now jumping over the bananas. Oh gosh, he's gonna murder us. Run. Oh!
I just saw Draco fall.
Okay, we cannot fall like Draco. Don't look down. The heights are bad.
Yeah, when this is gonna end?
I'll block Gold so she can fall.
No!
Going up. Oh, it's a door. It's a door.
Exit, go, go.
It's slammed shut. It's slammed shut. Okay, we're gonna keep going. We're going up. This is so
Don't
easy.
fall.
We'll do it backwards.
Oh!
Draco,
Yeah,
why are you so bad at climbing these stairs?
because they're not stairs.
Well, they are stairs. You just gotta be extra careful. Jumpity. We're like rabbits over here. This is actually pretty simple. Going.
Don't
Look at me.
jinx yourself.
I'm going backwards.
No!
Okay, we're gonna go
Now I'm
backwards.
climbing all the way up again.
I did it.
Oh!
Oh my god, look at this. You can die.
Don't go down.
Don't push me up. Does this elevator
We're
button
supposed
work?
to go down there.
Oh.
We gotta
Okay.
jump.
I'll go
Gentlemen
first. I'll do
first.
it
Gentlemen
backwards.
first.
I'll do it backwards.
Go. Whoa. It does nothing.
Why would we climb all the way up to go back down?
I don't know, but obviously we wouldn't survive that drop. It looks like it is one of those laser levels.
This is easy. Just crawl.
Liar.
Whoa!
Liar. Look at Gold. She's just sliding under us.
It burnt my
Go sideways. It's much easier. Okay, nice. We have made it through. That was too easy. Wait, why are you crawling? Why don't you just be like that guy and walk?
Oh yeah, good point.
Because crawling is cooler.
That is true. at the same time. You look pretty silly. But let's see. Look, the mad doctor is using dead bodies and bringing them back to life as zombies. What? Look, I can bring the dead back to life. So, I think he wanted to turn you into a zombie, Draco.
What? I would be the most coughiest zombie ever.
He just be like, bray, bray. He just keep coughing on you. Oh, why is there a dead zombie here? It's dead.
There's zombie blood.
There is
It's
a
a failed
secret.
experiment.
There's a secret behind this hospital, but we have to figure out what it is. So there,
Oh.
and then you turn into a zombie. Anyways, Arg, another collapsed roof. Use these shelves to crouch through the vents. Where are the vents? We must crawl through these tiny, tiny vents. Let's go. Dun-dun-dun. Faster, Gold.
I'm going. Oh, we're
Ooh.
free.
Oh, it's a giant vent. I'm a big fan of giant vents just because you don't need to crawl down. It's too
What?
claustrophobic.
It's funny. Oh, okay.
We're going through the vents. Left or right? I'm following this. No, actually, let's
Left.
go left because he just went left and there was nothing there. We're following this person. Hopefully, they don't lead us to death. We're going.
This is a very long time.
This is very unnecessary. Okay,
We're in a
look at this guy.
circle.
He's like, do you know where we're going? Nope, we do not know where you're going.
Left.
Okay, right. I feel like it's a right. And then we're going left. And
Left.
then we're going in circle.
Huh?
Left.
Where are you leading us, Fun?
Okay, Gold, I'm gonna throw up now. It seems like we've been traveling in these vents forever.
I think we found the way out.
Draco, do you?
No.
Oh, Draco went the other way. Well, too bad for you, Draco. You didn't follow the whole herd.
Yes! Freedom!
Freedom.
Oh, I found
No!
Look, zombies! Don't let them touch you, or you'll become infected. I actually want to try it. What's wrong with this zombie? He lost one of his legs.
Oh,
Hi. Ah! Do I turn into a zombie? No, I'm joking. I don't. Okay, let's go. Let's not get infected by these zombies.
They're really fast.
Okay, nice. Oh, why is there a giant zombie hand here? What is the secret? Look at its bones. It got decapitated.
Ew.
Keep going. Oh, it's one of
Easy
the.
Why are you
peasy.
crawling?
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Easy lemon squeezy.
Jump. No.
No, no.
Oh no!
The alarm is. You guys, the alarm is going off. That means
Guts to hurry.
a zombie. A zombie has escaped. What is this level? There's goop everywhere.
It's zombie blood. Draco, stop crawling everywhere.
If you keep crawling like that, Draco, you are going to get infected. You're going to get infected by the zombies. I'm just gonna skip past you guys. Skip. Just skippity. Skippity, skippity. Oh. What?
Oh no!
Dude, what is that?
What is that?
Ooh, I want to see it so bad. I got too excited. What is this magical thing? What is that? It looks like a portal of some kind. Well, this is the only way through the portal.
Don't let that zombie touch you.
There, the zombie's pretty derpy. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. I think we have ended up into another time zone. A time zone where everything is dead. Maybe the
You
Jurassic
mean
one.
dinosaurs?
Yeah,
Into a portal where everything is evil.
Oh, that's true. I think we're in an evil. It looks like a Cubone skull. But look at that zombie. Do you see? Oh, I need to stop distracting myself.
I think he's puking funny.
Look at that zombie. Zombie, what are you puking out? Is that your lunch? That's nasty. Come on, let's go. Let's crawl up here. Hopefully the zombie does not see. I hate these jumps.
Yeah, they're way too far.
Help me, guys. I'm about to get stolen. I'm joking.
No, you can do it. Jump.
Doesn't
really
this look cool though? Okay, I'm gonna make the last jump that I failed last time. And we're going to go over here. Whew, I didn't die. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on.
Whoa!
Onto these oddly placed bones.
Are these zombie bones? What'd you just go down?
Buddy, grab my hands.
No, Draco, you guys are probably gonna drop me. You guys look like zombies. What are you doing? Is this like a crawling thing? We actually look like zombies. Wait, look. Oh. Don't touch the zombie.
Obviously, they told us that.
Okay, this time I won't touch the zombies. Zombies, let's go. A giant zombie. Another one of Doc's mad work. This is This zombie actually looks pretty angry.
Where do we go?
Oh! Wow! Hey, go back out! Go back out! I think he's just eating us with his throw up. It's one of those levels again where you get into a zombie.
Oh.
Wait, why?
I thought it would work.
Okay, jump. Jump. Don't crawl. Obviously, it did not work. What does the zombie eat? Going through here, and the zombie clearly...
Eats pee.
No, I don't think
No,
that's pee. I
zombies
think
eat
it's...
prey.
How do you jump this part? What? So it looks like to jump over here, we need to get closer to the edges. Hit. This is actually hard. Hey, how did you guys go in front of me? I almost fell. This is
Go
a
on,
tricky.
buddy.
This is a tricky. No.
No.
I'm jumping. I made it. Come on, guys. Let's get out of here. We escaped a hospital, but we ended up into a very odd place. We ended up in a zombie's body. Why are you all crawling? Does it make you feel like safer?